To make the perfect signature, gather together your pages, tap them on the desk, making sure that your grain is running parallel to the spine. Fold in half as one unit, bringing the edges together. Press down in the middle, hold in place with your fingers, then press firmly on both sides with your bone folder. Here's 3 signatures that have not been pressed. They've just been smoothed out with a bone folder. And here's 3 that have been left overnight under some weights, and you can really see the difference between pressing overnight and not. Next, we need to trim up the overhang. Can you see that little bit of extra paper that kind of forms a wedge? And then once we've trimmed that off, it's nice and straight. So the way we do that is we take our ruler and we mark with a pencil very carefully in 3 places the width of the final signature that we would like. Place your metal ruler up against the marks. Use a triangle to make sure it is perpendicular. Then hold the ruler in place and carefully, using a sharp knife, trim up the edge a few pieces at a time. And there you have the perfect signature.